So I've been playing a little bit with printing with nylon, and it's a little bit more difficult to print with, but I've been able to get some decent prints. So what I want to do is just show what I'm working with. This is a Hatchbox PA filament, printing at about 220 degrees Celsius. So what I'll show first is this is a used PLA duct. So about 30 grams, has a little chip out of it. And maybe I didn't print it 100% solid. I think I did print it solid, but so about 31 grams. If I take a duct from PETG, I've got 33 grams. Here's another PETG duct, comes in at 29. Just a little variation, I think, in extrusion. So between 29 and whatever. But here we go. This is the nylon duct. It just really feels lighter in the hand. And we're at 17 grams. Only thing I did is I cut off a little bit right here for clearance for batteries in the cam. But so that probably saved maybe a gram or so. But basically the nylon is way lighter. You know, we're talking about over 10 grams lighter. So 28, 17. So there you go. Save 10 grams by going with nylon.